If you want a UI image that will always rotate to face the mouse, you should continue watching this tutorial. Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a UI image always rotate to face the mouse. Let's get right into it. For this setup, all you're going to need is a canvas and a UI image. Then in your assets folder, you want to right click, go to create, and then go to C# script. And we're going to call it rotate towards mouse. Then you want to open up the script. Once you've opened up your script, at the top of your code, you're going to want to do rec transform, and serialize field canvas, canvas. Rec transform is a reference to the rec transform on your image, and canvas will be a reference to the canvas your UI image is in. Then in the start function, we'll do rec transform equals get component rec transform to get a reference to your rec transform. And the update code is going to be where the magic happens. So firstly, we're going to be doing vector2 mouse pos. And here we're going to be creating a variable to store the mouse position relative to the UI element. And then we're going to be doing rec transform utility .screen point to local point in rectangle, canvas.transform as rec transform, input.mouse position, canvas.world camera, and out mouse pos. This method is going to convert the mouse position from the screen space to local UI space. So canvas.transform as rec transform tells Unity which rectangle you're converting to. And here we're going to be using the whole canvas. Then we do inputs.mouse position, and that gets the mouse position on the screen in pixels. Canvas.world camera will use the camera that's used by the canvas, and out mouse pos is going to be where the converted position goes to, into the mount pos variable we made earlier. Then we're going to do vector2 direction equals mouse pos minus rec transform.anchored position. So this line of code figures out the direction from the UI image to the mouse. Then we do float angle equals mathf.atan2 direction.y direction.x times mathf.rad2deg. And this line of code calculates the angle to rotate the image so it faces the mouth. And mathf.atan2 gives the angle in radians between the x-axis and the direction vector, and mathf.rad2deg converts the radians to degrees, as Unity uses degrees for rotation. And lastly, we do rec transform.rotation equals quaternion.euler 0, 0, and angle. So this line of code actually rotates the image. Since we only want to rotate the Z angle, we're going to be passing in a 0 and a 0 for the X and Y rotation, and then passing our angle float for the Z rotation. And that's all the code you have to do, so be sure to save your work and go back into Unity. What we want to do is we want to find our image and drag and drop the script onto the UI image, and then drag and drop the canvas reference into the canvas field here. Then we're going to save our work. And when we play the game, as you can see, the image is always rotating to point towards where the mouse is. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.